qamoqxonaga o'xshaydimikan do'stlar? Hamma yoqda kamera, rashotkalar.
Hey.
Hi, how are you, bro?
Hey, sorry, I didn't get a call or anything, so I didn't know if you were here.
Yeah, no problem. Hikmatullah.
What's your name?
Hikmatullah. What is your name?
AJ.
AJ?
Look at that.
Nice to meet you.
The one, and then this one's a little loose.
No problem.
Yeah, 'cause I told her there was one that was a little loose, so
Okay.
you can
Yeah, no problem.
adjust. This is the thing that was happening. I can show you video, but basically that has been coming out with base.
Yeah, I see the video.
Oh, you saw the video. Okay.
Yeah. Xullas do'stlar, eshik ruchkasi ko'chib ketgan joyidan buni joyiga qotiraman. Bu ham bo'shab qolibdi. Buni ham qotirib qo'yaman joyiga. Rakominasini tagidan suv oqib ketyapti mana turbadan. Ko'ryapsizmi? Mana shuni to'g'rilaymiz.
Do you need my help or anything?
No, I'm good, thank you. Mana rakominasidan suv oqib ketyapti, ko'ryapsizlarmi? Mana shuni to'g'rilab suv oqmaydigan qilib beraman. Ko'rishingiz mumkin do'stlar. Bu hech qanaqa buralmaydi. Ochilib yopiladi xolos. Eski holatidan ham mustahkam bo'ldi, chunki special glue ishlatdim va samolyotda uzunrog'ini ishlatdim. Mana bunisi ham. Mana santexnika ishiga kelgan bo'lsak do'stlar. 15 fitlik simni tiqib musirni tozalab yubordim. Xullas, musir bilan $600 pul tiqilib qolgan ekan. Mana. Suv yo'q do'stlar. Sog' bo'linglar, salomat bo'linglar. Bye bye. Thank you too.